that dog to stop it. Charlotte, quit stuffing your animals under your belly. Charlotte, you are sick. I want to watch May the Bee.
Oh, okay.
Or Maya the Bee.
Another one's coming on after
Okay.
this.
We'll be right back. With more Sprout.
Are you frustrated with how clear Windows makes your windows? Introducing Schmidt.
Charlotte Moselle, you better stop it. Charlotte, quit! Quit sticking it under your belly. You giving it a seizure? You trying to give it a seizure?
Charlotte ain't ever been a granola for me.